Hey everyone, welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's DelfStack tutorial video, we'll learn about how to fix app not installed Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, check your storage drive space. Open your main file window, click on the This PC button on the side menu, and look at your main hard drive icon. Check the numbers under the drive bar to ensure you have at least a few gigabytes of empty space left for the game files, because a large game needs physical room to sit inside your computer's memory bank. You have to check this area so you can see if you need to throw away old downloaded items first. Without this step, your computer will keep running out of room and showing you the same installation error box over and over again. Next, delete old versions and launcher files. Open your computer settings menu, click on the Apps or Installed Apps option, and scroll down to look for the game name. If you see an old version or a broken launcher tool sitting in the list, click on it and hit the uninstall button to wipe it out completely. By clearing out the old copy, you prevent the computer from getting confused about which folder to read. It ensures the system has a totally clean slate to put the fresh files into. Next, run the setup file as an admin. Now you need to tell your computer that it is okay to bypass regular user rules and install the files with full system permissions. Find the game setup file you downloaded, right-click on the file icon with your mouse, and pick the option that says Run as Administrator. Click the Yes button when the safety box pops up on your screen asking for your permission, because computers have a built-in safety lock that blocks outside setup files from changing your main system folders. By choosing this option, you give the installer temporary power to place the files in the right spot. It is the key step so the installation system doesn't shut down with an error message. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.